Hello family, welcome back to the Parents TV, the home of emotional and inspiring family stories that touch the heart and teach real-life lessons. If you believe in love, forgiveness, and the power of family, then you're in the right place. Today's story will move you, it will make you think, and it will remind you that true love stands even when life falls apart. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay with us till the end, because every moment of this story carries a powerful lesson you don't want to miss.
Samson, you're welcome. I have been waiting for you all day. We need to talk.
Gloria, not tonight. I just got back from work. I'm tired, hungry, and my head is pounding. Can it wait until tomorrow?
No, it cannot wait. Tomorrow might be too late.
Too late for what? What's so urgent that you couldn't even lie?
For us, Samson. For our marriage. For this home that feels like it's slipping away from me, from us.
Gloria, not this again. Every time I come home, it's either complaints about me, or about my mother, or about some imagined slight. Can't we have peace for once?
Peace? How can we have peace when your mother is in this house every single day, interfering in everything we do? She even decides what meals I should cook for you. She treats me like I'm just a stranger, not your wife.
Enough. Don't you dare talk about my mother that way. She has every right to look after me. She raised me, she sacrificed for me. She knows what's best for me.
And what about me, Samson? I am your wife. I vowed to stand by you, to love you, to build with you. Or do my sacrifices mean nothing? Do my tears mean nothing?
You always twist everything into drama. My mother only wants the best for us. Why can't you just get along with her?
Because she doesn't want me here. She wants me gone. And you're too blind, or too cowardly, to see it.
Gone. Gloria, don't be ridiculous. Why would my mother want you gone?
Because she told me to my face. Yesterday, while you were at work. She said I'm not the kind of wife you deserve, that she'll make sure I don't last long in this house.
Don't lie to me, Gloria. My mother would never say that.
Then you don't know your mother as well as you think. She looked me in the eye, Samson, and said I am nothing but a burden to you.
Gloria, please. You're tired. You're emotional. Maybe you misunderstood her. You know how words can be twisted when we're already on edge.
No. Stop gaslighting me, Samson. I know what I heard. And the worst part, you're letting her win. You don't defend me. You don't protect me. Every time she humiliates me, you stay silent.
Gloria sits for further argument.
It's okay, you're overreacting.
How can you call the hurt I feel overreacting?
You slapped me.
And it hurt me more than it hurt you. But maybe now you'll feel a fraction of the pain I carry every day in this house.
Gloria, don't ever raise your hand against me again. Do you understand?
Then fight for me, Samson. Prove to me that I matter as much as your mother. Prove that I'm not just another guest in my own home.
That's how much you matter, Gloria. Don't ever doubt that.
Then don't make me fight alone. Please, Samson, choose me.
Morning light filters into the kitchen. Gloria is at the counter, chopping vegetables aggressively. The sound of the knife hitting the board echoes. Madam Rachel enters gracefully, dressed impeccably, with a smug smile. She stands behind Gloria, watching silently for a while.
You're up early, trying to impress my son with breakfast.
I'm making breakfast for my husband. That's my duty as his wife, not yours to question.
Wife? Do you even know what that word means? A wife uplifts her husband. A wife knows her place. And from what I see, Gloria, you're failing miserably.
And from what I see, Mama, you don't want a wife for your son, you want a servant you can control.
You You don't talk while I'm talking.
I'm not your slave. The next time you slap me, I will.
You will do what? Slap me back. That will be the end of your stay in this house. Silly.
That's not your decision to make.
Careful how you speak to me, girl. You forget who I am. Without me, Samson wouldn't be the man he is today. I built him, I raised him, and I will not stand by and watch you drag him down.
And without me, he wouldn't have a wife who loves him, who sacrifices for him, who stands by him. You raised him, yes, but now he belongs with me. This is our home, not your kingdom.
Our home. You naive little girl. This house will never be yours. As long as I breathe, you will always be the outsider.
Enough. Stop poisoning my marriage. Stop whispering lies into Samson's ears. Stop trying to make him choose between us.
If he has to choose, Gloria, you will lose. Do you hear me? You will lose. Because no son abandons his mother for a woman like you.
You underestimate me, Madam Rachel. You think I'm weak, but I'm stronger than you know. And if you keep pushing me, I swear, you will regret it.
Oh, I'm not the one who should be worried. You are. Because when Samson finally opens his eyes, he'll see you for what you really are. A desperate, ungrateful, pitiful girl playing wife.
Gloria grabs a glass from the counter and slams it onto the table so hard it cracks. Rachel flinches but refuses to back down. The tension is unbearable.
Get out of my kitchen.
Careful, Gloria. The kitchen is the heart of the home. But even hearts can stop beating.
She walks out gracefully, leaving Gloria trembling with rage. Gloria clutches the counter, her breathing ragged, then sinks to the floor in tears.
My son, you look troubled.
Mother, not tonight, please. I've had enough quarrels for a lifetime in just one day.
That's because you're letting that woman drive you insane.
That woman is my wife, Mother. Watch your words.
Wife or not, she's poisoning this home. Look at you, stressed, confused, torn apart. Is this the marriage you dreamed of?
No marriage is perfect, but Gloria loves me and I love her.
Love, my son, love doesn't put food on the table. Love doesn't protect your reputation. Love doesn't guide you to success. What you need is peace of mind, and you'll never have it with Gloria constantly challenging me.
So what do you want, Mother? For me to send her away? Divorce her, is that it?
If that's what it takes to save you, yes.
No, don't say that again. Gloria is my wife. I will not throw her away like she's nothing.
Then she will be the end of you.
Mother, you're crossing a line.
No, my son, she's the one crossing the line. Every time she raises her voice, every time she disrespects me. And you let her.
I'm trying to hold this family together, but both of you are tearing it apart.
My son, listen to me. You can still make it right. There are better women out there, women from good families, women who will respect me, respect you. Don't let pity chain you to Gloria.
Enough, don't talk about her like that.
You'll see, Samson, one day soon, you'll thank me for saving you from her.
Unknown to Samson, Gloria passed by the study. She noticed the slightly opened door and paused. Curiosity and fear mix on her face. Slowly, she edged closer, hiding behind the wall, listening to their conversation.
He loves me, I know he does. But his mother will never let me breathe. How long before he breaks? How long before I lose him? Are you done gossiping?
Gloria, I don't want to fight tonight. Please.
Then maybe you should stop giving me reasons to fight. And don't you dare dismiss me like that, Samson. I heard you. I was outside your study tonight. I heard everything.
You were eavesdropping. Gloria, what is wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me, Samson, is that your mother sat in that room and told you to throw me away, and you didn't deny it. You didn't walk out on her. You stayed. You listened.
And what was I supposed to do? Throw my mother out into the street? Yell at her? She's my mother, Gloria.
And I am your wife. Your wife, Samson. When will you start defending me like I matter?
Samson stumbles slightly from the shove, then grabs her wrists, holding them tightly. They stand inches apart, breathing heavily, eyes locked in a battle of love and anger.
Don't ever doubt that you matter to me.
Then prove it. Because right now, it feels like I'm losing you to her every single day.
Gloria, don't cry, please. I can't stand to see you like this.
Then fight for me. Stop begging me not to cry and start protecting me from the woman who's breaking me.
Gloria, I love you. Don't let her words destroy us. Don't let this house become a battlefield.
Then promise me you'll never let her drive us apart. A kiss won't fix this, Samson. Words won't fix this. I need action. I need proof.
You're asking me to choose, aren't you? Between you and my mother.
I'm asking you to be my husband. To be the man I married. To stop being her son first and my husband second.
They stare at each other in heavy silence. Finally, Samson shakes his head, running a hand through his hair. He grabs his jacket, heading for the door.
Where are you going?
I'm out. I need some air.
Don't walk away from me, Samson. Not tonight, please.
If I stay, I'll say things we'll both regret.
You're slipping away from me, and she's winning. She's winning, Samson.
Weeks later.
Samson, open your eyes. This woman, this so-called wife, is poisoning your peace. Look at her standing there, silent like a snake waiting to strike.
Enough, Mama. I've endured your insults for too long. I'm your son's wife, not his enemy.
Wife, you dare call yourself a wife when you can't even keep a home the way I raised him to expect. You can't cook like me, you can't serve like me. No wonder he looks so lean.
Mama, stop. You're not helping. Gloria is my wife. I chose her. Why can't you just accept that?
Because she's not good enough for you. I raised you to be a king, and she's treating you like a servant.
I have given everything to this marriage. I left my job, my family, my dreams, all for Samson. And still, you stand here saying I'm not good enough.
Samson, are you choosing her over me? After everything I've done for you.
I'm not choosing against you, Mama. But I won't let you destroy my marriage.
Mama storms closer, her hand raised as if she might slap Gloria. Samson steps in front, blocking her. Silence. The air crackles with suspense.
Mama, if you raise that hand against my wife, you lose me forever.
So this is how it is. My son, bewitched by a woman's crocodile tears. Fine. But remember, Samson, blood is blood. Wives come and go. Mothers do not.
She storms out of the house, slamming the door so hard the walls shake. Gloria sobs harder into Samson's chest. He strokes her hair, torn between love for his wife and fear of losing his mother.
Samson, how long can we survive this?
As long as it takes, Gloria. As long as it takes.
She's poisoned him against me. Today, he stood in front of me, defended her, as if I am the intruder in his house. His own mother. Never. I will not be pushed aside like an old rag. If Samson won't open his eyes, then I'll open them for him. I'll expose Gloria for what she really is. Gloria, you will not take my son away. I swear it.
Samson, I keep asking myself every day if I made a mistake marrying into this family. I thought love would be enough to carry us through, but your mother has turned my life into a battlefield. I've endured insults, humiliation, and even the fear of being struck today. Tell me honestly, Samson, how long do you expect me to keep fighting for a marriage that your own mother wants to bury?
Gloria, don't speak like that. Please. You are my wife, the woman I chose with my heart and my soul. I know Mama has made things unbearable, but you must believe me when I say I never imagined she could be this cruel. She raised me to value family, to protect my home, and yet she herself is tearing it apart. I don't know how to balance her love and yours, but I can't lose you, Gloria. I won't survive it.
Then prove it, Samson. Prove to me that you are willing to stand by me, not only with words whispered in the dark, but with actions when she attacks me in broad daylight. I don't need poetry, I don't need promises, I need protection, I need certainty, I need to feel like your wife, not like some stranger who has invaded your mother's kingdom. I'm drowning here, Samson, and you're the only one who can pull me out.
Gloria, look at me. You are not a stranger. You are my wife, my partner, the woman I dreamed of spending every day of my life with. I know I've failed to protect you as I should, but I swear on everything I hold sacred, that ends now. If Mama forces me to choose between her and you, then let her understand that my marriage is not a bargaining chip. You and I are one flesh, and no one, not even my mother, has the right to divide us.
Do you realize what you're saying, Samson? If you mean it, if you truly mean every word you just spoke, then you must prepare yourself to lose her love. A mother who competes with her son's wife will never accept defeat gracefully. She will strike harder, she will dig deeper, she will find ways to break us. And when that storm comes, Samson, will you still be standing with me, or will you crumble under her guilt and her tears? Because I cannot fight both of you at once.
Gloria, I have spent my whole life under Mama's shadow, obeying her every word, trying to make her proud. But today, when I saw her raise her hand against you, I realized that if I keep bending, I will lose the woman who makes my life worth living. I cannot let that happen. So yes, if the storm comes, I will face it head on. Even if it breaks my mother's heart, even if it breaks mine. Because you are not my enemy. You are my home.
What's that?
A message from my uncle. It says, Samson, forgive me for texting, but I need to warn you. Your mother, she is plotting something dangerous. She called me earlier, furious, saying she would destroy your marriage by any means necessary. She spoke of Gloria's past, of secrets she intends to expose. I don't know if those things are true or not, but the fire in her voice chilled me to the bone. Be careful, Samson. Protect your wife, because your mother has crossed into dangerous territory.
Wow.
Weeks later, Mama did the unthinkable.
Samson, my son, I have thought long and hard about your situation. You have wasted too much time with this stubborn woman who only brings shame. I cannot sit back and watch you ruin your life. That is why I brought Grace, a decent, well-trained young lady from our village. She will make you a good wife, bear children for you, and restore the dignity of our family.
Mama, how could you? You went behind my back to bring another woman into my home as if Gloria is not standing right here. Do you think marriage is some kind of market where you can trade women in and out? I am a grown man, and I should be the one making decisions about my life, not you dragging a stranger into my marriage.
Samson, has it gotten to this? That you will look me in the face and challenge me, your mother? The woman that carried you for 9 months.
Mother, please don't bring that cheap blackmail. It's not going to work. My love, please don't make things worse. I don't know what Mama is doing, but please just stay calm, I will handle it.
I saw a lady in my house.
Yes, my mother brought her to be my second wife. But trust me, I will handle it.
Wow, so this is it.
Will Gloria leave her marriage? Will Samson fight, or will he accept his mother's manipulation? Watch out for part 2. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, subscribe and share.